Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we are going to make chicken fingers and fries with 3 sauces. For our ingredients, we will need Don't forget to prepare your tools and equipment and make sure they are clean, as well as your workplace, your hands, and even wear PPEs. First, we will mix our ingredients for marinating, such as the egg, cream, vinegar, and our seasonings such as salt, pepper, garlic powder, and mix it all together. Once that is done, set it aside and we will continue now to cut our chicken breast into thin strips, the size of a finger, so it can be called, of course, chicken fingers. So now that we have finished cutting our chicken, we shall now put aside our mixture and then mix it around so it gets covered neatly. Cover with cling wrap and let it marinate for around an hour, or if not possible, around 10 to 5 minutes. Now let's proceed to doing the breading. Mix our dry ingredients such as the flour, crispy fry, and cornstarch, as well as the seasonings such as paprika, onion powder, and sprinkle in some salt and pepper. Fun fact, this crispy fry and potato starch makes it crispier. Although you don't have to do this, you may just use cornstarch and it will still become delicious and crispy. Then, partially put some of the mixture into an airtight container. Make sure it's spread evenly and then add some of the strips and then mix it around. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Although it's kind of messy, so please be careful. Take your time coating all the chicken. Proceed to the stove and open the fire. Add oil so that it's enough to cover the fries and chicken and carefully fry. It is recommended that you have an adult to supervise you and help you with cooking. It is very dangerous and you can have serious burns. So please be careful, and also watch the food itself so it doesn't burn as well. And after that, remove and let the oil drain or be absorbed. Then do the same for the fingers and fry it until golden brown for around 2 minutes. And proceed. Let's go! Now for our sauce. Pour the chosen sauces in your heart's desire. And as for the cheesy mayo garlic, do the same and follow the ratio of 1 part this and 1 part that. Almost done! All we just need to do is plate them and sprinkle our garnish. Make sure they're prepared neatly, and you can now put your parmesan and parsley. Dun 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 dun! Before you eat and after you do, don't forget to clean the area and the dishes so that it can stay clean and healthy. And there you have it. Here's our chicken fingers and fries with our 3 sauces. I I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe and video as much as I do. May I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye. Happy eating.